Now we see the next question of the exercise, and that is finding the square roots of numbers up to correct up to two decimal places. That means that when I say that it is correct up to two decimal places, उसका मतलब ये है that it is not a perfect square. So the main difference over here, what is going to happen is that even after the long division, the remainder up till now what we are getting 0 will not be 0, but it will be some number which will be left out. So we are going to keep on doing it for up to 2 decimal places. Now when you want to do up to 2 decimal places, it is better that you go up to 3 decimal places and then round it off to the 2 decimal places. So that is the ideal way to do it. So let's say the first sum of that particular thing. We have the question number 3, first sum. It is given as 645.8. You want the square root of 645.8 up to 2 decimal places. So first of all, as usual, we'll make this particular kind of a framework. So it will be 645.8. Now this side we know it will be like this. Now over here, because I want to go for 2 decimal places, so I need minimum 2 pairs over here. But as I told that you need to go to the 3 decimal places and then round up the answer. Hence we'll go for 3 pairs. That means first pair will be like this, 8 0, second pair will be 0 0, and third pair will be 0 0. Understood? So in this way, my answer will be having 3 decimal places. Now let's see what is to be done. First, 6. What is the nearest square number to 6? Is 4. 2 2s are 4. So it will be 2 2s are 4. You get the answer as 2. 45 comes here. Now plus 2. So this gives me as 4. Next number over here is 245. So 4 and 6 are 24. So it will be 4 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 for 24 plus 3 is 27. So this is greater than this. So I'll need to take the next number for earlier number. So 45 into 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 is 20, 5 is 20 and 22. So it will be 5 giving me 5 over here, that will be 225. Remainder over here will be 20 and then I'll get over here 80. Because the decimal point has come into picture, so I'll put a decimal point here. This is plus 5 to give me 50. So now 5 and 20, so we can try with 4. So it will be 504 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 1 and 20, 2016. If I take 5, it will be more than 25, so it will not be possible. So 4 over here, to put 4 over here, you get 2016. You get it over here as 4 and 7, so 64. And then you bring the 0 0 here, you add 4, you get it as 508. Now this is 5, this is 64, so automatically is more than 10. So we will take the last number, that is 9. So let's try 9. So 5089 into 9 will give me 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, so it will be 88 and then 45. So it is 45. Now okay, so I made a mistake. There were only 4 digits here. I'm getting 5 digits here. So even if, so I need to take over here very small number, that is 5 and 1. So it is only 1. So if I take 1, it will be like this, that it will be 5082. 5081 into 1 is 5081. Hence this will be, subtraction will be, this is 3, this is 10, so 9 and 10. So 913. So 319. And then I'll bring this over here 0 0. So here I get this thing. One more number. This is 4 digits. This is 5 digits. Yeah. So I can try this one, that I can take over here as 30. So it is 5s are, no, even if I take 1, so you can see over here that even if I take 1 over here, it will become more than this. So hence I will need to put a 0 here. If I put a 0 here, this becomes 0 and this will be 31900. So here there is a 0. Now I wanted to find out only till 2 decimal places. So what I needed was just to check whether the third digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. Whether this third digit is greater than 5 or less than 5. If it is greater than 5, then 1 will be added to this. But if it is less than 5, it will remain as it is. So answer over here is 25.41. See, in case of rounding off, what will happen? If the number is greater than 5, like for example, you get your marks in some paper, you get 17 and a half. What do you tell? 18? Right? But if you have got 17.2 or 7.3, which normally you don't get that such marks, but if you do it that way, then you will have to say only 17 but not 18. So here the same method is applied. If you have got here the third digit is just for our cross checking, or you can say it is just to make our answer more stronger. That what is the approximate value? You know over here that if it is more than 5, only then I will add this and the answer would be 25.42. But if it is less than 5, it will remain the same. So here, because this was 0, so it was less than 5. So I just had to find out the answer is 25.41. Is it clear? Right? So this was how to find out for decimal points. Now we see another question, that is question number third sum. So the question is the square root, we need to find out the square root of 5.462. Okay, 5.462. The same way, you are going to take the lines here. This is 5.462. I wanted, so this is the pair, this is one pair. Now here, this will give me 2 decimal points. But as I told you, to make it much more accurate, I'll go for 3 decimal points. So I'll take 2 more zeros. So the number of decimal points which you are going to get as the answer, that many pairs you will require after the decimal points. So now 5. Square number nearest 5 is 4. So it is 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Here remainder 1. 46 comes over here, so a point comes over here. 4 146, so automatically this will be I think 3s are, so it is a 43 into 3, so it will be 129. So 3 plus 3 over here 3, 1 2 9. The difference will be, so this is 3 and here 16, so 7 and 1 17. You are taking 20 here. This is 46. Here also that concept doesn't go. The 23 ka double is 46. That is still there. Okay. 46. 1762. 4. 4 4s are 16. So let's try this. 4 6 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4s are 24, 25, 16, 17, 18. So that is greater than this. So we need to take one lesser. So 4, 6, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 18 and 12 and 13. So it is 1, 3, 8, 9. When this you take 3 over here, 3 over here. This is 4, 6, 6. This is 3 over here. So now you get over here as 1. So this is again 1, 1, 6, 1. So 3 and 3, 3, 3, 1 and then 0, 0 comes here. Now you can see over here 4, 6, 6 and this is 33. So 4 and 33 you can try 8. So that will be 4, 6, 6, 8 into 8. That will be 8 is the 64. 8 48 plus 4 is 54. And again 48 plus 5 will be 48 plus 5, yeah, for 53, and then 32 plus 5, 37. So again, it's too big a number. I'll need to take one smaller. So one smaller will be 4, 6, 6, 7 into 7. 7, 7 is 49, 7, 6 is 42 plus 4, 46, 7, so 42 again, 42 plus 4, 46 again, and 28 plus 4, 32. So you can see this will be 7 over here 7. This will be 3, 2, 6, 6, 9. This is plus 7 over here. On subtraction you get over here is 10, 9, 0, 2, 10. So this will be 1, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 0 and 0. Now over here will be 4, this is 7, 6, 4 and here is 7. So you can see that I have found out up to 3 decimal points. Now here, because this is 7, therefore this will be plus 1. So the answer will be 2.34. Understood now how that rounding off helps? See, if I would have not gone to the third decimal point, my answer would have been just remaining 2.33. But because I want a more accurate answer in 2 decimal points, I go for the third decimal point, find out what is the value. If it is greater than 5, it becomes 2.34. If it would have been less than 5, it would have been 2.33. So accordingly, the question number 3, third part, that is 5.46, is 2.33. I'll just check up with the answers also from behind, so there is no issue later on. So it is 3.4. Yeah, they have given 2.34. That means you have to take the rounding off as 3 decimal points and then come to the 2 decimal points. So this is what we have done is absolutely correct. Now let's see the next one. That is, you can see the question is very unique. You just need to find out the square root of the number 3 up to 2 decimal points. So we are finding out the answer for this one. So now, as I said, we do the same pattern. This over here. Now this is just 3, so it's just a single digit. I want it up to 3 decimal points first and then 2 decimals. So it is first pair for 1 decimal, second pair for second decimal, third pair for third decimal. So 3.000000 is what I am going to take as a number. 3, I know it is 1, 1s are 1, plus 1 to give me 2, and here the difference will be 2. This 2 comes, 0, 0 comes here, now point over here. This is 2 and this is 20, so you can try 8, so this will be 2, 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16 versus 22, so it is greater. So we'll try this next one, 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 89. So 1, 8, 9, 7 plus 7 is 34. This is 7 over here. Now this gives me 1, 1 and this over here 0, 0. Now you can see this is 3 and this is 11. So you can tie with 3. So 3, 4, 3. See, what I am trying to do is that ये first 2 digits और ये first digit को दोनों को divide करके देखो क्या मिलेगा 3 point something मिलेगा. So that's why I am trying with 3. So 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 12 and 9 10. So 1 0 2 9. So yes, it is 3 plus 3, 3 4 6 minus 1 0 2 9. Now this is 3 and this will be given as 10. So 1, 9 is 7 and 0 and 0. So 0 0 7 1. Now the zeros also come over here. This is 3 and this is 7. So we'll try with 2. So it will be 3 4 6 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 12, 8, 9 and 6. So it will be 6, 9, 2, 4. Over here 2, 2. Over here 3, 4, 6, 4. Over here 2. And the remainder over here will be 6. This is 9, so 7 and 0. So yeah, 0. So 176. Okay. Now, so this is done with it. So answer will be only up to 2 decimal points. So 1.73 because this is less than 5. So that is the answer for the fifth question. Root 3 is 1.73. That is up to 2 decimal points. Are we clear with this? So that was the question number 3 of 3.4. Now we go to question number 4 of 3.4. Okay, the first one. Now you have to find out again up to 2 decimal points, but the question here is in fraction. So the question is 11 3 upon 8. This is nothing but 88 plus 3. So it is 91 upon 8. Okay, this is 91 upon 8. Now when it is like this, it is better that I convert this whole thing into decimal form, so that it is easier for me to find out the values of the square root. Because if I try to find out of 91 separately and 8 separately and then I need to divide those, will be much difficult to do. So what we do is that we first divide this number. So dividing this number, it will be giving me as, so when I divide this thing, so I'll divide it over here. 91 divided by 8, 1s are 8. So then 1 and 1 11, and then it will be 8 again, 1s are. So actually it has to be this way anyway. So it is 8, so it is 3, and then point and then 0. So it will be 3s are 24, and then it will be 6, so 60. So hence it will be 7s are 54. So 56. So it will be 40 and then 5. So it will be, you can see it is nothing but 11.375. 11.375 is nothing but 11, 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 is 3.75 or 375. Okay. So now we have got this. So it is nothing but 11.375. We want the square root of this thing. So we want the square root of 11.375. Okay, so let's start with this thing. Now it is up to 2 decimal points. So we'll do the same method again. So up to 3 decimal points we'll go and then find out the answer. So 11.375. So 37 will be one block. This will be another pair and this will be the last pair. 11, you know, 3 3s are 9. So that is the first square number, giving me the resultant as 2. 37 comes here, a point here, plus 3, and you get 6. Now 6 and 23. So 6 3s are 18. So we'll take 3. So it will be 63 into 3. 3 3s are 9 in 18. So 189. So 3, 3. This is 69, 66. This is 3. This is 189. And then it should give me as 17. So 8 and 12. So 4. So 48, and then comes 50 here. Okay, now we see this over here, 6 and 48. So we can try the number over here as 7. So 6, 6, 7 into 7. So 7 7s are 49. 7 42 plus 4 is 46. 42 plus 4 is 46. So 4, yeah, it is 7. So 7, that is 6, 7, 4. This is 7. This is 4, 6, 6, 9. Gave me the subtraction as 10, 1, 14. So that will be 8. 7, so 1, and then 0 zeros come here, giving me over here as 674, and this is like this. So we can try with 3 only. So it is 6, 7, 4, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 12, 21, 22, 18, 19, 20. So it is greater than this. So it should be 2. So it should be 6, 7, 4, 2 into 2. Sorry, that will be 4, 8, 14, 13. So it is 1, 3, 4, 8, 4. This will be over here 2 plus 2, giving me over here as 6, 7, 4, 4. And the desert over here will be 6, 1, 6, 4. So that should be the answer over here. This is the rough part. So the answer over here is 3.372. Accordingly, it is 3.37. Okay, because 2 is for this part. So that will be 3.37. Now we'll see the question number 3 of the same. That is, the question is given as 7 1 upon 3. Okay, that is 7 1 upon 3. So it is 7, so third sum, that is 7 1 upon 3, which is nothing but 22 upon 3. So we are going to divide it. This is 3, this is 22, 7s are 21, 1, 0, point, 3s are 9, 1, 0, 3s are 9, 1, 0. So again 3. So it will be just recurring. So it is 7.33. Okay, we'll take the number as 2 decimal points, or you can take more also, 7.3333. So accordingly, what we want is value of 7.333333. Because if it is a recurring number, we can take this number. What do you want? So we have this like this, 7.333333. So now I have got this particular number. Okay, instead of taking the zeros, because I know that's a recurring number, I can easily take them at 33333 till the point I want the decimal point answer to be. I want it for 3 decimal points, so I have taken 6 numbers. That is 3 pairs. Okay, now 7. So we know 3 3s are 9 हो जाता है, so 2s ही होगा. So 2, 2, so 4, and then it will be 3. It will be 333 plus 2, giving me 4 here. So it will be 2 point. Okay. Now 33 and 4. So obviously it will be 8s. So 4, 8 into 8. 48 into 8 is 64, and 4, 22 plus 6 is 38. So it's greater. So I'll take less number, 47 into 7. 7 7 is 49. So 728 plus 4 is 32. So that is going to be 7s are, this is 7 here plus 7 here, so 54 here. It is 329 here. Give me the remainder as just 4. Then this 3 comes over here. Now you can see, even if I place 1 over here, it will be 541, which is smaller than this. Hence I need to take 0. So if I take 0, this will become 540. This will become 0 here, and here it will be 0 to give you 4330. Again, not 00, but now it is 33. Okay, the next one. This one I need to just find out whether it is greater than 5 or not, but we'll complete it. So here it is 540. This is 43 and this is 5. So I can try 8s. So that gives me as 5408 into 8. 8 8s are 64, so 6, 8, 32, so 32, and 40, 43. So that's right, 43264. Here 8, giving me addition as 5416. Here and 8. Here the subtraction will be, so it is 13. So 9 over here 12. So it was like this, 12, so it's 6, here 0, 0, 0. So that gives me the remainder 69. Like this. Hence, this is greater than 5. Then for the answer is 2.71. Because it was up to 2 decimal points, the answer is 2.71. Okay. So that was about the squares and square root by long division method. Up till now, whenever the school has taken this chapter, they have normally cancelled the question number 5 and question number 6 about the subtraction and addition of a number to that thing. So we will not take that thing right now, and I'll wait if I get some information, and accordingly we'll have the next video on this, or else we'll take the next chapter. Temporarily we'll take the next chapter right now. Till the time I'm not sure that whether we are going to go ahead in this exercise or not. Okay.